True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, guys. So today, guys, I am in the Southfield area. I'm very close to the turnoff. Can take you all to Queensberry on the main road. The turnoff where there's a gas station, also a supermarket. So guys, enjoy the tour with Fire Reid, your tour guide. I will take you all to Kincaid on the main road. So keep on watching, guys. So guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So remember, I am at the Southfield area, on the main road, very close to the turnoff to take you all to Queensberry. So I'm going to the Kincaid side, guys. So sit down, enjoy the tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. You know, back in the days, you used to see the road condition. The road condition wasn't like this, was very, very bad. But them patchy, them fix some areas and leave some areas. I don't know why, guys. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard or abroad, big up on yourself, and always interact on this channel and tell me what you think about this area, guys. So welcome to Southfield, guys. Yeah man, very, very cool area. Them area you like for touring at the sun hot, because when the sun hot, the breeze we are blowing at Southfield area is very, very some cool breeze, guys. So when you're in the Southfield area, we'll take you up at the Southfield Square, where you have a Western Union. Also you have a farm store. Yeah man, so this is the square area, guys. You also have an ATM machine. So when you come into the Southfield area, guys, you need to go to the Lovers Leap area, guys. You need to check out them area there. That's an attraction in St. Elizabeth in the Southfield area. We all know about the Lovers Leap, where two lovers leap over the cliff. So no need to know the history about Jamaica also. So I am like 14 minutes away from Junction Town, guys. So if you want to reach a Junction Town from Southfield Square, it's like about 14 minutes. Depend on the time, how fast you're driving, guys. If you make the right turn, it will take you out to Lovers Leap. So I'm on the Southfield Kincaid main road, guys. On your left, you have the Eden Villa. On your left, you have the Bent Funeral Home. So guys, we're in the Kincaid area. Yeah man, so you have the Kincaid Plaza, appliance and everything right here guys. So view the area guys, have an understanding.
West on Kincaid Junction Main Road toward Malvern to Southfield Road, then turn left at Malvern to Southfield Road. Turn left at Malvern to Southfield Road, then make a U-turn.
So this road can take you all to Malvern, Monroe, Hampton School guys. On your right you have the phase 2. On your left you have the Bellevue phase 1. So we are heading towards Munnings Boys Home guys. So you know in the Malvern guys, you know it's a very cold area. Monroe them place they're going to the windmill, very cold area guys. Who remember them school bus here? Yeah man, if you not drive on one of them school bus over there at Jamaica or foreign, you not drive on no school bus at all. Angel close on your left. So we're heading to one place I'm calling Barber Green Road. Yeah man, I'm calling it Barber Green Road. And also in this area you have your cook shop. On your right you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Bellevue. So welcome to Bellevue neighborhood, guys. So guys, we are now on Berlin Road.